Hello all, my name is Pavan Kumar and welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, today in this particular video we are going to discuss about the relational operators in Python programming, and we are continuing our playlist towards Python programming. Okay, so let's get into this. So here let's mention as relational operators. So relational operators in Python programming. So relational operators means like basically comparing the two values and returning the final value whether it's true or false. Okay, so for example, suppose if I take the number 7, okay, and if I compare 7 with 7, then what do you think, guys, like whether this is true or false? Definitely that's true, guys. So here you will get it as true. Okay, suppose if I give 7 is equal if I compare 7 with 8 means, so this will basically, or it will definitely return it as false because 7 is not equal to 8. Okay, so this is how you perform the relational operators. And suppose if you want the formal definition of the relational operators means, so what you can do is like relational operators in Python. What are relational operators? Okay, so the relational operators are important for making, they allow us to compare the numeric and characters. Okay, so as I told you, like basically we compare the values and we return it with a boolean values whether it's a true or false. Okay, now let's try with some other example. Suppose if I give a is equal to 10. Now let's try to run this particular cell, and now I will try to compare some other number with a, and now let's see like what might be the output. Suppose if I give 5 and I will compare it with a. So any idea, guys, like now whether it may be true or false? Now let's see. Yes, definitely it's false because a, we have assigned it as a, we have given a variable a and we have stored the value as 10. Okay, and now suppose if I give a is equal to I will give it as 10, and now let's try to run this particular cell. And now suppose if I try to compare a with 10 means like whether it will give true or false, guys. Let's see. Yes, it's giving true because we have assigned the variable a and we have stored the value as 10. Okay, now let's try to perform some other operations. Suppose if I give the number 25, so 25 is greater than 10, and now suppose if I try to run this particular cell means it should give the value as, it should give the output as true because 25 is greater than 10. And now suppose if I give 25 is less than 10 means it should return as false. Okay, so relational operators means basically we compare the two values and we'll try to get the output in a boolean format whether it's a true or false. And now suppose if I take the number 16 is not equal to 17, and now if I try to run this particular cell means because 16 is not equal to 17, and if I give 16 and if I compare 16 with 17 means Any idea like now what might be the output? Definitely this is also a false. Okay, so this is all about the relational operators. So you can perform the relational operators by comparing the two values, and you will try to get the output in the form of boolean. Okay, boolean format, whether it's a true or false. Okay, there are 6 relational operators in Python programming, which is less than and greater than, equal to, and then not equal to, then greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to. Just give it as ampersand. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 and then 6. So these are the 6 different relational operators in Python programming. So we'll try with less than or equal to and greater than equal to also. So let's see relational operators. So we'll try with the last 2 operators. So here I will give it as 75 is greater than or equal to 65. Okay, so definitely 75 is greater than or equal to 65. Yes. Okay, so let's try to run this particular cell. So here it will give it as true. Suppose if I go in a reverse way, 65 is less than or equal to 75 means here also it will return as true, because 65 is less than 75. Okay, suppose if you want the another example, means I will take 85 is less than or equal to 55 means it will definitely give it as false. Okay, that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video, and please do subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. See you one and all. Thank you. Bye bye.